everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our Indian Heritage Art series, we will experience the folk art of India, which is one of the oldest form of the art in Indian history and are among the finest examples of the folk style of painting. This is Warli Tribal Art Part 4. To see this painting of Warli Tribal Art Part 4 and to hear the stories behind it, you must watch our video till the end. And today's topic, Warli Tribal Art Part 4. Friends, the boundaries of Indian art are so large and rich, that it takes days and nights to discuss over it. Its beauty and its underlying meaning fascinate people since over centuries now. And one such example is Warli Tribal Art. It is among the finest examples of the folk style of painting in India and one of the oldest form of Indian art history. But you heard it correct, it's part 4 here today. Previously, we depicted more 3 parts of Warli painting here in Imagination Gallery, which is there in our channel, and I would suggest it would be worth watching those 3 videos also if you do so. I am frenzied to start this with you all. Let's begin. Today's Warli painting, we will see depiction of 10 incarnation of Lord Vishnu. At the top of the painting, we see Lord Vishnu. Some of devotees, or we can say his servants, are serving him. And below, we can see 10 incarnation of Vishnu. And as before, the form of Warli painting is reflected in black and white amazingly. Warli painting is a form of tribal art, mostly created by the tribal people from northern Sahyadri range of Maharashtra, India. This tribal art was originated in Maharashtra, where it is still practiced today. The Warli painting tradition in Maharashtra are among the finest example of folk style of painting. This tribe is one of the largest in India as well. Warli paintings of Maharashtra revolve around the marriage of god Palghat. The style of Warli painting was not recognized until 1970s, even though the tribal style of art is thought to date back as early as 10th century AD. The Warli culture is centered on the concept of Mother Nature, and elements of nature are often focal points depicted in Warli painting. Farming is the main way of life and a large source of food for this tribe. They greatly respect nature and wildlife for the resources that they provide for life. Warli artists use their clay huts as the backdrop of their painting, similar to how ancient people used cave walls as their canvases. Here I want to mention Divya Soma Mashe. This artist in Thane district has played a really great role in making this Warli painting more popular. He has been honored with a number of national and central level awards for his paintings. And as recently as the year 2011, he was awarded with Padma Shri as well. Rudimentary wall paintings use a set of basic geometrical shapes, a circle, a triangle and a square. These shapes are but symbolic of different elements of nature, It's not just that it has came in mind and I have just put in the geometrical shapes. The circle and the triangle come from their observation of nature. The circle represents the sun, moon, while the triangle depicts mountains, conical trees. In contrast, the square renders to be a human invention, indicating a sacred enclosure or a piece of land. Warli paintings were mainly done by the women folk. The most important aspect of this painting is that it does not depict mythological characters or images of deities, but depicts social life mostly. Pictures of human beings and animals along with the scenes from the daily lives are created in a loose rhythmic pattern. These paintings are mainly done to represent a sense of togetherness. Warli art revolves around the mother nature by giving more importance to the nature and wildlife, as we greatly should do. Their art form symbolize the balance of the universe. Unassuming Warli figures painted in white on red ochre walls might not seem like much to the untrained eye, but a closer look will tell you that there is more to Warli than what meets the eye. It is not just an art form, but a way of life for the Warli tribes from the mountains and the coastal regions in and around the borders of Maharashtra and Gujarat. This art form that originated around 3000 BC has an enigmatic appeal to it. The intricate geometrical patterns of flowers, wedding rituals, hunting scenes, and other everyday activities are quite popular among fashion designers and home decor brands nowadays also. These from the states of Gujarat and Maharashtra surely have a sense of sentiment attached to this art form, as they have seen it on the walls of rural schools and homes way before they became popular on modern lifestyle products. The simple yet beautifully delicate patterns have a certain raw appeal about them. What do you think so? Isn't it? If you are curious about Warli art, then the Warli painting origin is fascinating. The Warli tribe is one of the largest tribes in India, located outside the city of dreams, Mumbai. Even though they were located close to one of the India's largest cities, the Warli rejected contemporary cultures and lifestyle. People from Maharashtra have a special sense of sentiment attached to this painting of Maharashtra because they have seen them on the walls of various rural schools and homes before. And like all the other people react to something, an artist also expresses her reactions, messages and wishes through painting. And as an Indian, where in the streets and in all corners, in all cultures and all festivals that these heritages adorn, we are there. Imagination Gallery will always try to spread this message and paint our Indian heritage. Let this be one family. Let's color the life with one and only Imagination Gallery. today's fascinating journey of an Indian heritage, the very beautiful and delicate Warli art paintings. Convey your feedbacks and suggestions, and please do not hesitate to write in the comment box. So if you like our drawing session and you want to know about different paintings and stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. From the team of Imagination Gallery, we wish you a very good way. Stay safe and take care, my friends. Bye bye.